So we have only a small room, small hotel here, but it's okay. It's enough for my husband and I. We only here there. How long we gonna be here? 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. Yes, guys, it's only small, but
1 week.
1 week to go. Only small. So pupunta kami sa daming pupuntahan namin ngayon. Kailangan namin isulit yung mga holiday talaga namin. Kahit sunog ako, even if I'm burned, my husband is burned. No, not yet. He's not burned yet. Yeah, he's okay. Hi, honey. Hiya, Banger. Thank you for my followers and my family and friend. Munti ko na makalimutan. I almost forgot because I am getting